Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is easy, delicious carrot muffins. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. In a large bowl, whisk 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, we're going to put in our 1 cup of sugar, a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. And we'll stir that all up together. Next, we'll add the egg mixture into the flour mixture and stir that all up. When this is all combined, we'll add our 2 cups of grated carrots and 1 grated apple. We'll also add our half a cup of raisins and fold this all in together. Put the batter into our greased muffin tins. And we'll bake at 375 for around 25 minutes. Muffins should be golden brown and a toothpick inserted should be clean. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.